Tiambililia Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwavuthiisya kana kumanwa na livoti la inenganiwe chumwani kukonia umo wa kikw'u chola wa munene wa Wiper Francis Ogolla yonanitye kana Francis akitie kuwawa Aineenea kanisani wa Muithi museo Mwingi kavindani kala eivikite uthaithini vala wendekethia kunikilimbeange utwaiwe kuthiana kikw'u chake lina musangi ni watumbanisya mauvo.
Munene Itina uthaithini kanisani wa Muithi Musyini Musini wa Mwingi Mutongoi wa chama cha Wiper Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka niwavuthiisya vena vata wakuiko kwa kunikilimbeange wa umo wa kikw'u ula wa munene wa Wiper Francis Ogolla na ula watiwe ni thayu mwakani muthelu mwini wa kana Itina wa Mbanga ya ndeke kuu ya kaunti ya Elgeyo Marakwet.
No Kenyan will believe that story. The only way to believe the story is to have an independent inquiry. General Ogolla was taken out. He was taken out. Nobody will believe that story. And there was a story behind why they may have wanted to take him off. He was sent by the National Security Council to go to bombers of Kenya that time before results were released. And I think that people said they would deal with them. Some of them were hard to say, we'll deal with this guy later. But because of the Tonje rules, there was no way General Ogolla was not to become the next head of our military, the CDF. So he was taken out.
Kalonzo niwavuthiisya kana report yumiso kukone kikw'u Ogolla vaimundu kumikia othingilela vena vata wakunikilimbeange.
In order for Kenyans to know what exactly happened, we need an independent inquiry, possibly led by Parliament. If parliamentarians feel intimidated, an independent kind of inquiry. Because we cannot have a culture where military leaders are taken out, political leaders are taken out. These helicopter crashes must end. This country will remain a democracy. And nobody is going to have to claw back on our democratic gains under our constitution. So our guiding document, Constitution 2010, unfortunately those in authority we know opposed it.
Munene wake ukwata ambao ni muyumba wa matungulu Stephen Mule oweta kana tila isi munene waita kukuwa na ndeke yaina mathina ma engine.
Kuwa na independent investigation review of that report. Because the report merely puts the blame to the failure of an engine of an aircraft. Don't forget these are army aircraft. Don't forget that these aircrafts are well maintained, well serviced, and an aircraft carrying a chief of general staff of the army cannot be just taken that lightly.
What has happened is whitewashing the situation.
The times of blackmailing Kenyans with the reports which don't arise are gone. And we'll insist, and I will repeat, on an independent review of the report to tell Kenyans the truth, what happened to the chopper which killed General Ogolla.
Kuripota ulingo wa mauvo kumava kanisani wa Muithi museo Musini wa Mwingi kaunti ya Kitui ni lina musangi.